President of Manipur Council, Moreh, Mayanglangbam Thoiba, has expressed confidence that displaced Meeteis families from Moreh will get to return to their homes soon, as Kukis community has started realizing that separate administration is an impossible demand. Mayanglangbam Thoiba was speaking on the sideline of 31st Foundation Day observance of Meeteis Council Moreh, which was held yesterday at Kabauleikai under Imphal East District. Speaking further, Mayanglangbam Thoiba said that the crisis that broke out on May 3rd of 2023 was not the first conflict that has happened in Moreh. Kukis community has engaged in conflict with Tamil community of Moreh, and Meeteis community has played important role to end that conflict. Similar clash had also occurred between Kukis and Paite in Moreh, and again Meeteis community has helped Paite community in evacuation from Moreh. Terming the ongoing conflict as a manufactured conflict, Thoiba urged Meeteis CSOs and Kukis CSOs to help restore peace and harmony in the state. President of Kha Nongpok Apunba Nupi Lup Moreh, T.H. Imphal, President of Meeteis Society Churchanpur, Moirangthem Thoiba, along with internally displaced persons from Moreh and Churchanpur, attended the program.
Moreh the talk about Mayam say, Metarada, Ahanateva, Nagakoki Tokre, Meitena, Chiaro the Roshinba, Namki, Tamiliga, Kukis in the Tokre, others are going to Soba died the Lord of Meitesh and died the Lord of the Roshingi, Aduga Paitega Koki the Toki, Madrid Soba died the Logana, Maitism with Suzanne provoked the Lorgana, Warashin for a Prabada, Soba died the Lokido, Maitani. Aujina Meitei Matata, Kusingi Lama, Makaloina, Kuki Silana Torpazia, Machine, Matamda, Adolaga, Hanagi, Kusisana, Sadana Dadana, Lemindarika, Adulaba, Idam Manipur, Narava, Shinbaja, Matamzia, Tingamanavani, Masi Matamzia, Kuki Silana, Nobi Pay. Adunatana, we are the Wamada, Mamma, Sakatana, Pavazia, Machina, Jai Sumayanda, Achoba, Manjaba, Lungi, Richarda, Equate. Changi Pini Abudova, Adumba, Obama, Paisa, Puna, and Dominaraga, Hapta Nadriba, Amadi, Warishan Purapa, Namdibasa, Masia, Tuamada, Kukis, Amadi Meteis, Singna, Azobata, Toloraga, Warishan Purava, Sindiva Pagani, I would say, Noluna, Kai, Navagana, Miambo, Uning.